in the vastness of the universe, has an infinite number of celestial bodies, and there are stars, planetary satellites, etc. However, there is a celestial body. Many of you have probably never seen it. That is to send another nova. Recurrent novae are a special kind of celestial body, a type of variable star. It is characterized by a relatively short period of time, significant increase in luminosity. Then it returns to its original brightness level. And this change in brightness is cyclical. This cycle can range from months to years. And every time it erupts, the brightness of the re-emerging star can be increased thousands to tens of thousands of times. Duration can range from days to weeks. Then the brightness will gradually decrease, eventually return to the state before the outbreak. A new star is usually formed by a white dwarf, a star, and a half-stars, and these two stars are very close together. This will make the hydrogen element of the half-star constantly being surrounded by nearby white dwarfs, the attractive force of the star. Therefore, a surrounding white dwarf strike disk. Over time, the hydrogen sucked by the machine will be on the surface of the white dwarf, and the accumulated suction energy and contraction energy make the deed. The temperature of the shell gradually rises to zero when sufficient density and temperature are reached. Heat and reaction occur. This causes the surface of the white dwarf to occur intense heat and explosions. It causes the brightness of the star to increase significantly in a short period of time. This is the process of a nova explosion. And this year, we will be fortunate enough to witness the birth of a new star. It's called Bermatis. Bermentine. That's about 3,000 light-years away. It is located between the constellations of Mucus and the Pentateuch. It was created by a red giant, a binary star system composed of a white dwarf, currently white dwarf. The star is sucking up a lot of hydrogen from the red giant. As time goes by, this hydrogen gas accumulates a certain mass on the surface of a white dwarf. It will trigger the cyanuclear upheaval, causing the star to suddenly brighten up, and they form novae. The north face is only 10 to 11 magnitude, so we can't see it with the naked eye. And once the surface of the white dwarf is light, nuclear fusion is triggered. Its brightness will increase by 1,000 times. At this point, we can directly observe him with the naked eye. However, his duration was extremely short, usually only a few days or so, because the outer shell, in an explosion, it will be thrown into interstellar space. The luminosity will decrease rapidly, return to a relatively stable state. So that ends this brief period of enhanced brightness. Then the white dwarf will strike again. Hydrogen in red giants, waiting for the next nova explosion. According to astronomers' observations, the period of the North Burma substitution star is about 80 years. The last time it exploded was in 1946. This means he is the next observation opportunity is coming soon. And so this is the outbreak of predictions this year. For astronomers and hobbyists, this is undoubtedly an astronomical world not to be missed. It is also a rare time in people's lives. Witness firsthand the birth and death of new ones. Astronomers predict the brightness of the star Burma. The strengthening period may occur between April and September, because he has entered a period of darkening. This shows that he is ready to proceed. The next spectacular display of light. Then a pole will appear in the sky. Its bright celestial bodies. Its brightness is equivalent to the brightness of the North Star, then disappear within days. But it should be noted that Burma, the observation of the substar, also has certain uncertainties. His burst time and brightness increase may be affected by a variety of factors. There is a delay. So this is our human lifetime, a rare astronomical event. If you miss it, you won't be able to see it for 80 years. And North Burma is a substitute. The explosion was more than just a spectacular astronomical phenomenon. He is of great significance to scientific research. Through observational research, astronomers will be able to reveal more about the new star, white dwarfs, and the secrets of cosmic evolution.